I got these boxes from Michael's about 5 years ago, and I'm not 100% sure, but I think it came in a set of 6 or 7 boxes, all in different sizes. In this video, I'll show you how I traced my design onto one of these boxes, and in the next video, I'll demonstrate how I paint them with acrylic colors. The largest box here measures around 10 by 10 inches, and a medium one is about 7.5 inches. They were in much better shape when I first got them, but they still look good. They still look nice after so many years of use. And a tiny one here is about 5.5 to 6 inches. I'll say it's closer to 6. This is the design I'll trace for this project. I trimmed the excess paper at the bottom so I could tape it to the box along with the tracing paper. I made sure to place the tracing paper on the box, carbon side down, then place the design on top of it. And just make sure the design is centered. When I'm satisfied, I tape them down with the low-tack masking tape to keep them from shifting. Now I just need to trace the design. My printer broke, so I traced this letter art I found on Adobe Express directly from my iPad. I sometimes use my iPad as a light box. If you set your iPad's screen brightness to the maximum, you can easily trace images onto regular print paper. This design is very simple, but when you're working with more complex designs, it's easy to miss details. So in that case, you can print your design in lighter gray tones or print in different color than the pen or pencil you'll be using to trace the design, so it's easier to notice any missed spots. Okay, so I think I'm done, but I want to make sure I had all the details I wanted to trace before peeling off the tapes. Looks like I've got all the details I wanted, so I'm peeling off the tape. I like how nice and clean everything turned out. It looks really great. I didn't want to make this video too long, so I'll paint this design with acrylic colors in the next video. So thanks for watching today and see you in the next video.